Hey there, fellow Windows enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. One of the most requested customization options in Windows 11 is the ability to make the taskbar transparent. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your desktop, but it also allows you to have a seamless experience while multitasking. In this video, we will be showing you the step-by-step process so you can enjoy that sleek and minimalist desktop setup you've always desired. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. You can make the taskbar slightly more transparent using the personalization settings in Windows 11. Here's how to do it. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left-hand menu. Click Colors. Make sure that the transparency effect slider is set to On. Your taskbar should now be a little more transparent. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows tips and tricks. We appreciate your support.